Ensuring success for all students is a moral imperative for all schools, but it takes a highly coordinated framework of structures and processes within a school to maximize the collective capacity of the team. It takes a collaborative response. Collaborative response is an organizational mindset that involves some fundamental shifts for schools and districts, such as layering collaborative team structures, transforming how we talk about student needs, focusing on students close to meeting expectations through the thoughtful organization of data and evidence, and ensuring tiering of supports rather than students. Join us for the online on-demand workshop Overview of Collaborative Response, part of our Supporting Collaborative Response series. In this 2-hour on-demand online workshop, I share the 3 foundational components essential to ensuring an aligned collaborative response in schools. I also share numerous school and district examples, as well as access to a large number of resources to assist you in understanding how collaborative response can ensure high levels of success for students and staff. Purchase the workshop and you'll have the ability to replay all or any portion of the workshop as you wish. Whether you are new to an organization already implementing collaborative response or are looking to deepen your understanding, access this on-demand workshop today to join the thousands of schools ensuring success for all students through collaborative response.